Hey, let's talk about summer skin. Do you want smooth, soft, beautiful summer skin? The sun is out, we're showing more skin, shorts, sundresses, swimsuits, sandals, right? So, today in this my summer skin series, I'm going to talk about the importance of exfoliating for smoother skin. Now, in my past videos, I talked more about what's inside and how we take care of our liver and gut, our digestion, and how much we hydrate our body really affects our skin on the outside. But today, let's talk about the outside. So, exfoliating your skin is so important, and especially since you're bearing it some more. First of all, it removes the dead skin cells on your outer layer. It unclogs pores and it stimulates vibrant complexion. We all want that, right? I also noticed it really moisturizes my skin with the recipes I use, and I'm going to share those. So show yourself some summer self-care by exfoliating. And the rule of thumb is maybe once or twice a week. That's all you need. For your face, I don't really recommend DIYing a facial scrub because our skin is so delicate here and here. And so what I recommend and use is this one from Young Living. It's Satin Facial Scrub, and it's mint. So it's very light, and it doesn't, it's very gentle, especially for sensitive skin. And what I love about it is it has that mint or peppermint in there just a bit, and it just is awakening, refreshing, and it really helps take off the dead skin cells. So I'd totally recommend that. I keep it in the shower. If you want more of exfoliation, I would even do it on a dry face. Now, I have a couple DIY recipes for a foot scrub to get those feet soft and supple and ready for sandals and flip-flops, and a body scrub. And you can mix match. It's so easy to make it. Don't ever buy it again because basically you need sugar and a carrier oil. My favorite for my daughters made this actually for me, Orange Blossom Body Scrub, and it's with coconut oil, not fractionated, and sugar and skin-loving essential oils. It feels so luxurious and smells wonderful. Now, I have talked in the past about how I only use Young Living essential oils because I can trust the company. I've researched them. I know about their purity and all of their skin-loving properties and therapeutic properties are intact. They're so careful about keeping those. So just a few essential oils that I run to when I'm making a sugar scrub, and they aren't very expensive. First one is grapefruit. Grapefruit is a great oil, essential oil, topically for skin tightening and help with cellulite breakdown. So it smells so fresh and uplifting as well. Lavender. You all heard about lavender for your skin. It will soothe your skin, calm it, and help even smooth it out. It's the #1 skin loving oil. So then I also love lemon or orange. Citrus oils are they help brighten the skin and also smooth it out. So any of those combinations with lavender, grapefruit, orange or lemon, citrus fresh, tangerine, lime even, seems so summery to me. I also love bergamot. That is wonderful. So the other one that I recommend is a foot scrub. And my daughters made this too. And instead of sugar, to be a little more coarse, there's a couple options. You can use Epsom salts. You could even use some pink, coarse Himalayan salts in there too. And in this recipe, we put jojoba oil. So it's so skin moisturizing because if you do the foot scrub, do it in the shower or sitting in your feet on the bathtub and scrub and then rinse it off. And the carrier oil in there will really absorb in your skin. And it smells so good. So take care of your skin and make beautiful, smooth, moisturized summer skin by exfoliating.